The GATEMATE standard double strap hinge sets designed to take on the toughest jobs with ease. So these standard double strap hinge sets, you can either choose between an 18 or a 24-inch top band. The top and bottom bands are made from 1/4-inch thick steel, and our hook to drive is double barbed, ensuring a nice reliable fit every single time. And every kit, as always with GATEMATE, comes with all the fixings that you'll need. Now on to our 24-inch adjustable double strap hinge set, slightly different. So as always with GATEMATE, installation is very simple. The benefit of this kit is with the adjustable bottom band, if your gate ever drops, you can adjust it very easily, giving you a nice solid fit even after years of use. So just like the other two kits, you get a top band, the adjustable bottom band, but this time you get supplied 2 hook-on plates with all the fixings as always. This is a very popular kit because the hook-on plates provide a much more secure fit. All of these field gate kits are suitable for gates up to 80 kilograms in weight and up to 2.4 meters in width. Stronger, smarter, easier, that's GATEMATE.